Well,
Why?
how did that all take place?
I had a crush on my brother's friends, who were all 2 years older, and they were all playing golf every weekend. So I was like, I've got to get involved in this so I can go out with them. And it's true. I mean, you go to a driving range, and the odds are really good for a woman.
Yeah.
It's usually 95% men.
And that's how you learn to hang with the boys. I mean, because you
Exactly.
obviously don't have any problem doing that.
No, love it. Love it. So, fun.
First tournaments?
First tournament I played?
Yeah.
Gosh, probably like the South Australian Junior Open. I was like 15, I think. I
How about
probably
amateur golf?
150.
Your favorite performance in amateur or college golf, what was that for you?
Well, national championship, we won 2003, and
At USC.
yeah, and we turned, okay, so we led wire to wire like the whole time, and then we turned, at the turn, the coach came up to me and said, it's 4 strokes now, and we had like a 10-shot lead easily. She's like, it's down to 4 strokes, and I'd bogeyed the last 3 holes, and she's like, Anna, you need to step it up, and then I birdied the next 3 holes, and we won by like 12, but
What a
it
story.
was really fun. I
What a
finished
story.
11th. It was fun, really fun. So by far, I mean, that's what made me want to play pro golf. I was like going to be a communication consultant or do something intellectual. I was like, wow, this is really fun. Like, winning's fun.